Whether you celebrate Valentine's or not, here's presenting one of the healthiest cake recipes and pie recipes on the planet. I guarantee you, you are going to be addicted to these healthy bits and bites. Hello, friends, here's presenting two recipes from one dough that will give you a fruit cake. This one is a fruit cake, and another one is more like a cake pie. And do not blame me if you get addicted to this recipe. For this recipe, you need 1/4 cup malai, 1/4 cup thick curd, and malai is what you get on top of milk after boiling. Whip and then set aside 2 tablespoons flax meal mixed with 5 tablespoons of orange juice. Since we are making it more like a fruit cake, this was an experiment and I wanted to make a fruit cake without any chemicals, so I have used orange juice. If you don't have orange juice, you can use water instead, but the taste will vary then in that case. Now add half cup of jaggery powder, sift and then whip just like we whip our cookie batter or our creaming mix. Whip it, it won't be as creamy as we aim for our cookie mix, but it will still be slightly creamy. Now add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk or isbagol if you have it handy, or it is completely optional. I added now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I added psyllium husk because I was making it without baking powder and soda, and I did not want this recipe to fail. I did not want this healthy cake recipe to fail. Now add the flax egg, the flax meal mixed with orange juice. Mix well until everything looks incorporated. So psyllium husk is good for you in a way because it is rich in fiber. Now add half teaspoon of orange powder or zest, and I have already shown how to make orange powder at home. Next we'll be adding half cup of oatmeal or powdered oats. This is from the normal oats that we get in the market, and I buy, you can buy any brand, so I wouldn't be naming what brand I buy, but I find that this brand sells really good quality of steamed oats or normal oats that we all prefer. Now look at this batter, whip it really well. Since we are not using any baking powder or soda in this recipe, so we need to whip it well. Next, remove 1/4 cup of this batter in another bowl that has 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix it well, and at this stage preheat your oven, air fryer, convection, OTG, microwave to 160 degrees for 10 minutes, and an air fryer needs to be preheated only for 3 to 5 minutes because it is one of the healthiest appliances to bake, cook and fry, and I'll soon be sharing how. Now pour into a greased baking tray. Look at the batter, it will be a thick batter or a loose, very loose cookie dough. Now make a heart with the yellow part. I have taken a heart shaped tray or plate. It's a steel plate, and we use all stainless steel appliances in my air fryer. That's the best thing about the air fryer. Now we need to bake it. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes, and the timing might vary from one appliance to another, and you can do this in your cooker or kadahi as well. Now to the remaining batter add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and do a taste test at this stage. If you feel that it is slightly less sweet, you can add little more of jaggery powder or sweetener of choice. At this stage I added 1 tablespoon extra of oats because I thought that the batter or the dough was quite loose, and I did not want my recipe to fail since we are not using any baking powder and soda. And this is how our baked cake, fruit cake, oats fruit cake looks like. And look at the texture, I'll show you. Look how it looks from the bottom as well. and it is full of flavors. You will literally fall in love with this recipe, trust me, and it will become a regular in your kitchen, believe me. You can decorate it or not, it's your choice. And this is, just cut it into pieces, slice into pieces, and enjoy it warm. And all fruit cakes become more flavorful the next day, so you can enjoy the next day. Look at this, it is so yum. Look at the texture from below, so yum, soft, flavorful, and of course healthy. You will be addicted. And this orange part, I loved this orange part actually. So if you don't like cocoa powder, you can skip cocoa powder and make this cake without cocoa powder, with orange powder alone. In that case, you will need to add 1 to 2 tablespoon extra of oats to get the batter right. Now we'll be baking the cake pie. I'm calling it cake pie because it was slightly, this dough was slightly harder than the first one. So pour it into a baking tray, decorate if you want, press it gently with hands, and then decorate with cashews or nuts or even chocolate chips. I wanted to make blondies or brownies with this recipe, but then I decided to go with pie because it's an experiment, my dear friends. And now make cuts. This will make the process of slicing easier once the cake pie, chocolate oats cake pie, is baked. And at this stage, preheat your oven, air fry, convection, OTG to 160 degrees for 10 minutes. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes at 160 degrees, and timing might vary from one machine to another. And this is done. And how do you know this is done? And since the cake releases itself from the sides, so it will release from the sides, and let it cool down, and then खाओ इसको मज़े से. I am sure you will fall in love just like me, but I loved the orange part more than the chocolatey part. So if you're a chocolate lover, go for it. And please tell me in comments how you find this chocolate oats cake recipe without baking powder and soda.